Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will share how you can generate infographics from text in just a click using AI. So without wasting our time, let's jump into it. Alright, open your browser and head over to this website. Click on this button. Log into the website using your email or Google account. Answer these questions. Click on this button. Now you can either paste your text or generate it using AI. Type in the text and click on Continue. It's really easy to generate the infographic. Click on this blue button and it will automatically generate the relevant image. It's that simple. You can choose between the diagrams and customize them according to your needs. And if you want to download the image, click on the download icon and export it in whichever format you like. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.